Respectfully addressing professionals. The use of doctor. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be focusing on a very special part of English introductions, using the title, drive. It's crucial to acknowledge a person's professional achievements correctly, and that's exactly what we're going to learn today. To begin with, doctor is an abbreviation for doctor. This title is used before the names of individuals who have earned the highest academic degree awarded by a college or university in a specified discipline, such as PhD, Doctor of Philosophy, or who are medical practitioners. In a conversation or an introduction, it's important to use doctor when addressing someone who holds such a position or degree, to show respect for their accomplishment. When you meet someone who holds a doctorate degree or is a medical doctor, it's polite to address them using their title. For example, if you meet someone named Jane Smith who is a medical doctor, you should say, "Hello, Dr. Smith." Remember, using the title, doctor, is a mark of respect for their achievement and position. It's always better to be more formal when meeting someone for the first time. While it's important to use the title, doctor, there are a few mistakes to avoid. Firstly, don't use drive with a person's first name. It's not Dr. Jane, it's Dr. Smith. Secondly, if someone has a PhD, they're a doctor, but not a medical doctor. Be careful not to assume that doctor means the person is a medical doctor. Lastly, if you're unsure whether someone should be addressed as doctor, it's okay to ask. It's always better to be safe than sorry. And that's a wrap on how to use the title, doctor, in English introductions. Remember to always use this title to show respect for the person's achievement, but also be aware of the common mistakes to avoid. We hope you found this lesson helpful. Stay tuned for more lessons on English introductions, and until then, keep practicing.